$1.2 million for this incredible home in Wyckoff, New Jersey? Let's take a look inside and find out if it's worth the price tag. Welcome to this incredible home. As you step through the front door, you're immediately greeted by the warm and inviting living space, a place where cherished memories and family stories come to life. Moving further in, we arrive at the heart of the home, the kitchen. This beautifully designed space features amazing countertops and a spacious island perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying casual meals. Adjacent to the kitchen, you'll find a practical and stylish laundry area, keeping everything organized and convenient. And just steps away is the 2-car garage, offering ample storage and easy access. Now, let's step into the backyard. A true oasis. With plenty of space to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the sunshine, it's the perfect retreat for both family and friends. Heading downstairs, the finished basement takes center stage. It features a relaxing sauna and endless possibilities. It could be your game room, man cave, or a creative space for the entire family. Finally, let's explore the second floor, where you'll find 4 spacious bedrooms, each designed with comfort and relaxation in mind. The primary suite is a true haven, offering privacy and elegance for a restful escape. So, what do you think? Does this stunning home check all your boxes? And is it worth the price? Let us know your thoughts on the comments below.